The Mahavakyas of Upanishads, A Beginner's Journey to Self-Realization. Book by Bhushan Kulkarni. The quest for happiness and peace is universal. Regardless of age, gender, culture, or status, every human heart seeks fulfillment, freedom from fear, and an end to suffering. Yet, in today's world, we find ourselves caught in an unending cycle of desires and achievements, each promising joy but leaving behind a lingering sense of incompleteness. We strive for success, build relationships, acquire possessions, and chase experiences, only to realize that happiness is fleeting and peace remains elusive. This book is born from the recognition of this universal quest. It is written for all the man and woman, those who live amidst worldly responsibilities, navigate daily challenges, and yet feel a deeper yearning within. A yearning for lasting peace, true happiness, and an understanding of life's ultimate purpose. The Mahavakyas of the Upanishads are ancient declarations that have guided seekers for centuries. These four great statements are more than philosophical ideas, they are profound revelations pointing to the deepest truth of our existence. But to a beginner, these Mahavakyas can seem abstract, complex, or even mystical. This book is an attempt to bridge that gap. It seeks to make these timeless truths accessible, relatable, and intellectually understandable for those with no prior knowledge of Vedanta or philosophy. This journey begins by exploring our shared human experiences, the pursuit of happiness, the struggle with dissatisfaction, and the quest for meaning. It then gently guides the reader through a deeper inquiry of identity, the nature of consciousness, and the ultimate reality. Each Mahavakya is explored in depth, with word-by-word analysis, philosophical explanations, and insights from a wide range of scholars, both ancient and modern. Reflections and contemplative practices are woven throughout the narrative, inviting the reader not just to understand but to introspect and experience. This book is not merely about gaining knowledge. It is an invitation to a journey from intellectual understanding to experiential realization. It is written with the hope that by the end, the reader will not only understand the Mahavakyas intellectually but also feel inspired to explore their deeper meaning in their own life. May this book be a gentle companion on your journey to self-realization. With humility and gratitude. Bhushan Kulkarni. Link in description.